AI tools like Cursor, vZero, Lovable are completely changing the way that we code, but not in the way most people think. They're a massive productivity booster, but they are not a replacement for learning how to code. My name's Kenny. This video is part one of my series on vibe coding for beginners. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the philosophy of vibe coding and why I think it's massively important that you still actually understand how to code if you want to be a good vibe coder. The first thing I want to talk about is this concept of the 70% problem. There's a developer called Adi Osmani that's talked about this quite a bit. And the 70% problem can basically be summed up as if you're vibe coding without the context and background of actually knowing how to code and just letting the AI tool handle everything for you, you're probably going to be able to get about 70% to a working application. That last 30% ends up taking a ton of time, and most people end up giving up during that last 30% anyway. AI coding tools and vibe coding in the traditional sense of just throwing prompts out and seeing what happens are great for demos. They're great for hype. They're great for building like super simple toy applications, but for anything that you actually want to turn into any kind of business or a product that you can deliver for a client or something that you want to be able to reliably use at your job, or really anything that you want to be able to actually have be a robust, usable tool, that's when you need to understand how to actually code in order for it to make the biggest difference and be able to actually build things that are worth using and not just play around. There are two types of AI coders.